Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to pay on Facebook Marketplace. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to pay on Facebook Marketplace, you can simply tap open your Facebook and go to your Marketplace section. And if you want to purchase something, you can simply tap on that particular product or anything like that, and then you can simply talk with the dealer itself and get your payments made directly through the dealer or the seller. Or you can even go to your Facebook page and go to your settings and privacy, and then in the orders and payment you can simply use your credit card, debit card, or PayPal account to buy items with the checkout feature on Facebook or Marketplace. So there are different kind of options. You can simply add your credit cards here, you can simply link your cards in Facebook, and you can simply use it to pay on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.